Come and join me, sing hallelujah. Jehovah Jireh has done me well. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today I bring to you this Indomie Noodles recipe, okay? So these are my ingredients. I'll be listing all in the description box so you check it out. Right. So to begin with, I have some boiling water, so I'll just add my Indomie or my noodles. Yes. So I'm going to cover it up and allow it to cook for just about 3-4 minutes. I don't want it to overcook. So I just added some little olive oil and then the seasoning of the Indomie. Please don't throw it away, okay? And also your girl, I am a bit under the weather, so my voice has changed, as you can see. So just pray for me, okay? Thank you guys, I love you. So now my Indomie is ready, so I'll just strain it and then put it aside. Then I am starting with my stir fry. So this is a quickie lunch, so we just saute all the veggies. Yes, I'm not too much a friend of Indomie or noodles, yeah, but at least once a year I enjoy one. I don't know of you. So I add my bell peppers, and then I add some oyster sauce, and it will take my Indomie recipe to another level. So I stir. And at this point, I'll just add my noodles or Indomie, and then we are almost done. So you see, the reason why I don't like it, stirring sometimes become a problem, and it's going to mess your cooker too. Oh my goodness. So Indomie or noodles, in fact, they are not my friends. So you see, I'll add the remaining seasoning of the Indomie, and then I'll stir. Likewise, the peppers. Okay. Ooh, no mukra na no so ayasem. Hey, hwese na achichere me spatula no so. Okay, so after stirring gradually, they incorporate into each other. Then I'll just add my scallions to it, and then we are done, friends and family. My Indomie or noodles is ready. So why don't you join me? Let's enjoy, okay? I love you guys. Thank you so much for your likes, your comments, your subscriptions. Oh my goodness, it's a doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. God bless you for the support so far, okay? I hope you try this simple recipe. Sometimes when you are not in the mood to cook plenty, you just go straight and do this Indomie recipe, and you are going to enjoy. So you can see I have paired it with some semi-boiled eggs and some black pepper sauce. So my lunch is ready. So you out there, join me. Let's enjoy lunch, okay? Thank you so much. God bless you, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.